Business tips for more successful affiliate marketing. Your marketing business will generate significant profits when you create an interesting website that appeals to a broad base of potential customers and populate it with your affiliate advertisements. This video is full of great tips and advice on how to help your affiliate site grow and thrive. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. Avoid exclusive affiliate marketing programs. These are programs that restrict a webmaster's advertising. Such programs might require that a webmaster advertise only his or her affiliates' products in a given category, or even advertise no products at all except the affiliates. This is an unreasonable demand to make, and experienced website owners will not stand for it. Offer visitors to your website exclusive content or services if they make a purchase from the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. Do not restrict vital information this way, but make sure that visitors who do buy get something of definite value out of your website's bonus content. This will encourage both purchases from your affiliate and repeat visits to your website. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day should rethink their affiliate partnerships. Affiliate marketing is not only financially rewarding, you are also creating a valuable investment from your time and energy. Good affiliate marketing, however, requires a significant investment of time and attention up front while you hone your website content to attract your customer base. Setting goals and maintaining them will help you become a successful online marketer. Student loan.